Good morning. My name is Frank Cunha, and I'm pleased to report the final results associated with management and engineering for manufacturing senior design presentations spring 2020 at the University of Connecticut. We had 12 sponsors for our class, and it started with Air Force, U.S. Air Force, Belimo, Land Maverick, Levo, Pratt & Whitney, Holochrome, Kinney Park, Natrium, Sonics, School of Nursing and Business, and finally with the Sperry Railroad Systems. There were 12 teams associated with these sponsors. Since starting with team number 1, the project was related to composite manufacturers process test bed. Then the Belimo project is associated with the assembly process improvement with a cobot, following the autonomous robot docking stations for Land Maverick, and then the distributed hydroponic farming for Levo. Following that, we had data management for thermal-barrier coating systems with Pratt & Whitney, creating manufacturing agile systems for Holochrome, and then Internet of Things Industrial IoT with Spring Valley Farm for Kinney Park, and then number 8, Natrium Sync Personal Sanitary Barrier. Following that, we had a project associated with Sonics, improved ultrasonic wire splicer. Then we had an understanding of the capabilities of IoT in manufacturing. That's a leadership project to be ongoing at UConn. Following that, we had Reduce Seal, the universal solution for glove waste, the School of Nursing at UConn, and finally, the non-contact test bed for railroad applications. After review with a panel of 10 faculty, we decided to provide a list of the best projects associated with this set, and that gave us the following conclusion. Belimo, team number 2, was associated as the winner. The team with Pratt & Whitney about management of thermal barrier coating initiative took the second place, and then the distributed hydroponic farming took the third place. To elaborate a little bit about the winner, we had to say that the sponsor was Belimo, team number 2, and Belimo is a Swiss-based international manufacturer of devices applicable for ventilation and air conditioning systems. The judges clearly indicated that the objectives and the actions of this team were very clear. The decision focused on several operations and mapped processes, developed work cells and design and simulation of these cells, evaluated factors well to determine the best cobot associated with the process, create a financial model to support design decisions, and overall was an excellent and complete analysis. So with those attributes, we provided team number 2 with the sponsor Belimo as the winner for the Spring 2020 MEM Senior Design. I'd like to thank the leadership associated with management and engineering for manufacturing, and that includes Professor Jiang Tang, Professor Li Qian, and Professor Greg Calvert. Thank you so much.